I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you some questions from grade 10 test paper on quadratic equations applications. The question here is, a parabolic arc has a width of 24 meters and a maximum height of 18 meters. A chunk of concrete falls down from the arch, landing 4 meters from the center of the road. How far did it travel? So that is the question for you. Let us first sketch the diagram and understand the situation. Let's say this is the parabolic arc. Consider a bridge over the road, right? So that is kind of the situation. And what we are given here is that the width of this arc is 24 meters. That means from here to there, the distance is 24 meters. So that is the width. And the height is 18 meters. So 18 meters is the height. That means that is the height. Now in this situation, a chunk of concrete falls down from the arc, landing 4 meters from the center of the road. So let us say that this is the center of the road. So 4 meters away, it could be either side, right? It could be either side. So you could consider either side, that is fine. So let us consider that it falls from this side. Right. We need to find the height through which it has fallen. That means this height is what we need to find. I hope you understood the question. You can pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. My suggestion is that in such a case, we should think that our axis is y-axis, right? So axis of symmetry, align it with y-axis. Then it becomes very simple question, right? Now look at it. Let's say this is origin, right? In that case, since these 2 points are 12 apart, we could write them as 12 and minus 12. Right? 12 apart from the center, 24 in all. Now the equation becomes very simple. The maximum here is 18. Considering these things and the axis through the origin, we could write height of this parabolic bridge path, any point on this, let us say height, as equal to a times x squared plus 18. Correct. Now a, we expect a negative value since it is going downwards. Correct. To find the value of a, we could use these x-intercepts. We could use 12, right? So if I use this point, in that case height is 0. So we can write 0 equals to a times 12 square plus 18, and rearranging we can find the value of a, which is minus 18 equals to 144a, and then we can find a as equals to minus 18 over 144. So that gives us the quadratic equation which represents this parabolic arc, which is h equals to a is minus 18 over 144 times x square plus 18. Right? Do you see how simple it is? So we got the equation. That is the first stage. Now second part is we need to find the height. Basically on this path we need to find what is the height when you are 4 units away, right? So when you are 4 units away, since it says landing 4 meters from the center of the road, right? So it could be either side. We are assuming right side, so 4 meters. So we know coordinate points for this is 4 is the x value, but we don't know the y value, that is the height, which we need to find, right? So in our equation, we can substitute 4 and find the height, correct? So that is what we are going to do now. So we say height is equals to minus 18 over 144 times 4 square plus 18, right? So that is how you could actually calculate. Now without calculator also I can show you how easy this calculation is, since 144 is 12 square, right? So let me show you without calculator the calculations. Minus 18, think like this, 4 over 12 whole square, right? Because 144 is 12 square. It is important because sometimes you are not allowed calculators. Now this is 1 over 3. Do you see that? 1 over 3 whole square plus 18. 3 is 9, right? So when you divide minus 18 by 9, you get minus 2. Do you get it? And you get 16 as your answer. Anyway, you should use calculator wherever convenient. So we have 18 minus, we'll write 18 minus 18 times 4 square divided by 144 equals to 16. So you could do that, no problems, right? 16. And don't forget to write units. When you write answer, say height will be 16 meters. So that is kind of very important to mention. With this, I think you have understood the steps involved in answering a question in the test paper. So make a neat sketch, select x's along with the y-axis so that it's easier to get the equation. Once you get the equation using the x-intercepts, find the height with x value of 4 and write your answer with units. Thank you and all the best.